Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely vanilla cake. This cake is suitable for your wedding. Yes, you can add milk in your wedding cake when you're sure that the customer is going to consume the cake as soon as possible. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Indeed, subscription is free. Don't forget to like this video and feel free to invite a friend to Progressive Cakes. Ingredients for this cake: I have my 20 pieces of eggs, baking powder 1 tablespoon and half, vanilla flavor 2 tablespoons. I have my cinnamon as desired, a tablespoon of butterscotch, my milk 2 cups, 2 cups, sugar I have 600 grams. If it's for children cake, add up flour 1 kg and butter 1 kg, your margarine 1 kg. Okay, I'll be using my bowel and pestle to cream. You have to cream a little before you add your sugar, and you continue creaming till it's flat and fluffy, looking so pale before you stop. Grease your pan with margarine and you dust with flour. Look at that, looking so pale already and light. Take your time to sieve your dry ingredients and you add in your baking powder. You see that? You have to always sieve your dry ingredients, very important. I'll be adding my baking powder. And half. I used 1.5 tablespoons for this. Break your eggs one after the other to avoid any bad or contaminated ones. My bowl is looking so small, so I will turn it to a bigger one. Okay, before that, let me add my vanilla flavor 2 tablespoons and a tablespoon of butterscotch, and that is all. That is all. My dry ingredients, wet ingredients, cinnamon. Please, if you don't have cinnamon, feel free to use your nutmeg. It's still okay. So I start adding a little of my butter, a little of my wet ingredients, a little of my dry ingredients. Before you start mixing everything together, make sure you have on your oven at this time. Your oven is preheating before you start incorporating all the ingredients. And again, feel free to use lemon zest. It's very nice. It serves as preservative and also flavor for your cake. So feel free to use it if it's available. Right now I wasn't able to get it today, so I'm not using it today. So feel free to get it. This is a very simple recipe you can do for wedding. Please make sure you don't do it and keep for a long time so that the taste will not change. Just you can at least within a space of 3 to 4 days, make sure you have done delivering the cake and it's off your shoulder. If you're new to this channel, this is the first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my newest video. Please don't forget to like my video. Feel free to give me some thumbs up, like this video, share to your friends and family, and feel free to ask questions and comment. Feel free to add your cinnamon. You can see I just added a tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm good to go. I'm not adding again. Now it's time for my milk. I need 2 cups of milk, so feel free to add your milk. Wow, that's nice. Please don't overturn your batter. My batter is ready, looking so creamy. So it's time to share it out. I'm using 3 12 inches pan for this. 12 inches pan. That's the particular cake I made for the basket cake that I posted earlier. If you have not watched my basket design, my cake basket design or basket cake design, feel free to check it out. I'll be putting it on my description box, so feel free to go and watch that video and enjoy. Tap on your table to close up all air bubbles, and you take straight to your oven. Before 30 minutes my cake is ready. I've told you before, it's good to share out your batter in little quantity. It helps your cake to bake faster and also minimize your gas. This time around my cake is ready. This cake is looking so yummy and beautiful. I'm gonna turn it upside down to cool off. You can see how beautiful the face is looking. That's wow. You can see, look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like my video, invite a friend to this channel. I love you so much. Bye bye.